Hello everyone, this is Juva Rules coming at you with this quick review of Transformers Hunt for Decepticons Hailstorm. And as you can see, it's an artillery tank here, which can launch 8 firing missiles. They are not spring loaded, you just have to put some pressure here on the back so the missile can launch. Sometimes it won't launch very well, but it's fine, this mechanism. It can work. So to transform here Hailstorm, the first thing you have to do is to lift these missile launchers up and this whole section. Up and up. And then pull this off and rotate here to the side to form his shoulder here and his arm. Bring up here the robot head and pull up these panels and just fold this in just to form here his body. There you go. Next you just need to pick here the waist, fold on the legs, the feet, just put them into place, and rotate here the turret here and open this panel, pull the missile launchers right there, close this, separate both of them, and there's a peg right there which goes into that hole. Okay, put this right there, and this is right there, and that's about it. There we have Hunt for Decepticons Hailstorm in a robot mode. Very easy to transform. A nice figure. It's not the best. I only purchased this one because it was on sale. It was a half of price, so that's the only reason that I got this one. And it's very nice for the collection. Probably I will end up selling this one, but hey, it's a cheap transformer. It's not bad. It's not bad looking. It does have all the articulation necessary here on the elbows, on the knee. It does not have head movement there, but rather than that, it's just a fine figure. Not excellent, just fine. So there you go, Hunt for Decepticons, Hailstorm.